Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious dates milkshake. First, gather your ingredients. About 10 to 12 pitted dates, 1 cup of cold milk, and a touch of honey or maple syrup if you like it sweeter. Make sure your dates are soft for the best texture. Proper date preparation is key. If your dates are a bit firm, soak them in warm water for about 15 minutes to soften them up. This helps them blend smoothly and ensures a creamy texture. Always remember to drain them well and double-check that all pits are removed before moving on. Now for the fun part, blending. Add your softened, pitted dates, 1 cup of cold milk, and any optional sweetener to your blender. Blend on high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. For an extra chill, toss in a few ice cubes and blend again. Your delicious dates milkshake is ready. Pour it into a tall glass. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of chopped nuts, a dash of cinnamon, or even a small date slice for an elegant touch. Enjoy this refreshing and nutritious drink right away for the best flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.